Welcome to Discover Talent Presents, folks. I'm your host Vinod. In this series, we're gonna cover how to create a organizational chart in PowerPoint. Right? It's a very simple. You can also do it for a freelancer, or maybe you are working in the organization. Right? Decks presentation. You want to create a organizational chart, so that time you can use this. Not just a companies, also in educational institute. Okay, if in case you are in college. Okay, if in case you are having some sort of projects, that time also you can use it. Okay, organizational chart for Discover Talent Educational Institute. Okay, now this is a as a director what we have all about business case. Okay, and then this is the key departments, what departments we have. Now here is the ask that you will create a organizational chart in PowerPoint. Okay, so this is the major focus for us. Okay, now what is the important information that I'm just highlighting over here? For we have these details shared by the respective individual, which is our respective stakeholder, which is our Discover Talent again. Okay, now I'll highlight this as well. Information is helpful for me. Now here, if you could observe over here, we don't have photos being shared, right? So we don't want to pick a organizational chart which shows a photos. Okay, folks. So simply what we'll do, we'll just first highlight this, and then this is the important information for us. Then simply what I'll do, I just simply click here, start, and then PowerPoint. I just open a PowerPoint. Now click here, blank presentation. Okay. As soon as you click to the blank presentation, ensure that you're selecting this all from your mouse and then deleting this. Okay. Now you have a blank presentation available. Okay. Or maybe directly you can see it over here as well. Okay. New slide like this, and then just select this as a blank. So you will get a blank. Okay. Now what I want to add that organizational chart. Now since we have these two slides added over here, I'll do a alt tab over here. And this is the information for me. So I'll simply just copy this and I'll just paste it over here. Okay, for a easy access. That's it. So now this raw information available for me. Now here, I'll just simply click on this first slide, insert, and there is an option called smart art. Okay, insert a smart art graphic. The explanation is you can see is over here, right? Smart art graphics range from graphical list and process diagrams to more complex graphics such as Venn diagrams and organizational charts. You can see it, right? I've just simply click over here. I want a hierarchy over here. I'll simply select this chart or maybe any other chart. Okay, for now, as a sample purpose, I'll just simply select this organizational chart. This is the basic one. Okay, later on we can change the designs as well. Okay, folks, I'll show you that as well. First, we'll select a basic one and then simply copy this, paste it. Okay, this is my Michael Brown. Paste it. Now, what I want, see if you can see over here, head of administration is Michael. After adding this, I realized that this particular chart is not really fulfilling my requirement. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I'll just simply open this text pen over here. Okay, left hand side, and I'll just do a text pen over here and then enter. You can see at a parallel level, I have this Emily White. I can add it over here. Okay, now under this, we have Dr. Anna Lee. Again, it's in a dummy data, folks. Okay, what we have and what information you must have, right? That could be a different. If in case you need a support information, then happy to support you there. Feel free to comment in below section. We are happy to address those as well. Okay, James Carter, and then I'll just for now I'm just pasting these names as is. Okay. And again, And then this is the Lisa Thompson for me. We'll do that arrangement later on. Okay. Now, if you could see over here, head, there are four heads. Okay. And last one is a IT support lead. So basis their requirement, we have just plotted the data. Okay. Created this organizational chart. Now we don't know who reports to whom. If this is the situation, then don't worry. Simply just move this out. Okay. Control X, enter, paste it like this, because we don't know who reports to whom. If in case you have that details available with you, that for Dr. Sarah is reports, for Anna is reporting to Dr. Sarah, that time you can use this enter and then tab key. Okay. But here we don't have any information. So that's the reason we are not doing that. Okay. Now we have this simple organizational chart available with us. Okay, folks. Let me just zoom in and then close this. Now carefully observe over here, folks. Okay. If I click on this smart art, okay, as soon as I click, I get this smart design option. Okay. If in case your cursor is over here, don't worry. Simply click over here. You will get a smart art design. Click over here. And then there are layouts. Now you see the layouts. Cool. See, at one simple, movement of your mouse, you can see this different horizontal multi-level hierarchy organizational chart. And these are the infographic one, folks. Okay. You can use this in your infographics as well. If in case you have the photos, simply you can use this circle picture hierarchy. Right? Picture organizational chart, name and title organizational chart. If in case you want to add a titles as well, okay. In this particular tutorial, we have missed that. If in case you want to add the title, you can definitely select this and add the title. Here, another one. Cool. And if in case you have a multiple space available, then simply go with this. Okay. I'll simply select this. I like this. So that's what personally recommending. This is a personal recommendation from me. So I've just kept it this as is. And simply I'll do movement like this. And here, if I can see over here, okay, here is a designs like this. You can change it, keep it basis your requirement. I'll simply select this at the end one. Yeah. Zoom, scroll down, change color. And this time I'll select a color like this. Cool. This is done. And what I have a this information which is key departments. Correct. Simply just copy these key departments because it's not really important for me. However, the space is available for me, so I'll utilize that space. Okay. Simply add this key departments over here. Right click, enrollment, and then counseling. Cool. Simply I've just added this dummy data over here. As I can see, this information is flowing from Discover Talent. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just simply just copy this, and with the help of Google, I'll just enter it and then let's search it. If in case any logos are available, right? So this is the logo. I'll simply copy this and paste it over here. Cool. Last but not the least, okay, very important to make your deck very presentable. Always take help of this rectangle. I'll draw line like this. Okay. Again, I'll just make it like this. And here, make it simply smaller. And I will say this as a light fill, and then outline would be no outline. Cool. And then I'll just hide this. Let me just hide this slide. And here, right click again. Doctor name is showing spelling error. So that's what I'm doing it. And double check in terms of this your font. I'll just simply say graphic. Okay. Or maybe if in case you want Arial, you can select Arial font. That's not on a challenge. Okay. Select this again, Arial. I'll select this Arial, and I'll put this font bit shorter like this. Color coding over here, you can do that. That's completely your call. Okay. And then to make this more presentable over here, no, I'll just simply do a Control C and Control V. I'll copy this again, paste it like this, and arrange back. Cool. And if you could see over here, if I click on this F5 button, you can see how presentfully we have created a organizational chart in Microsoft PowerPoint, folks. I hope you found this useful, folks. So please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.